Have you ever wondered whether it's worth raising your tenant's rent by just 2,000 or 3,000 yen? Many landlords in Japan face this question as inflation, maintenance costs, and property taxes continue to rise. But is a small rent increase really worth it? The answer depends on more than just the extra income. First, compare your property's rent with the local market. If similar apartments nearby are already renting for higher prices, a modest increase may be reasonable. However, if your property is already priced above the local market, asking for more rent could increase the risk of losing a reliable tenant. Next, think about the numbers. A rent increase of 2,000 yen per month generates an additional 24,000 yen per year. Over 2 years, that's 48,000 yen. While every bit of income helps, replacing a good tenant can easily cost much more. Vacancy periods, cleaning expenses, advertising fees, and agent commissions can quickly exceed the extra rent you hope to earn. That's why many experienced landlords focus on long-term occupancy. Instead of maximizing rent every year, if you decide to increase the rent, communication is important. Explain the reasons clearly. For example, mention rising maintenance costs, higher property taxes, or improvements you've made to the property. Transparency helps tenants understand your decision. Another smart strategy is offering something in return. For example, replacing an old air conditioner, upgrading lighting, or agreeing not to raise the rent, again for the next lease period. These small improvements often make tenants much more willing to accept a modest increase. In the end, successful property management isn't only about collecting higher rent. It's about keeping good tenants while maintaining a profitable investment. Finding the right balance is what creates long-term success. If you're interested in investing in Japanese real estate, subscribe for more practical tips about owning property in Japan.